By the way, how do you know if you need to change the tires on a car? So here we are, with Mom, who went to soccer, dance and horse riding. We went on vacation too. I love holidays. And then we went also to see Grandma and Grandpa. We drove a lot of kilometers. At the end of each big trip, we were tired. But so were our tires. By the way, what is exactly a used tire?
So, a worn tire is, first of all, a tire that has done a lot of kilometers, between 15,000 and 45,000. A bit like if you'd once gone all the way around the Earth. Yep, that is a lot. But a worn-out tire is, above all, a tire that no longer has all its rubber. As it rolls, it wears out, and the little lines on the surface become less and less visible.
How serious is it, Doctor?
It could become very serious, because a worn tire doesn't grip the road as well. For example, losing grip on the wet ground increases the braking time and the risk of aquaplaning.
But how do you know if the tires are worn?
I know what you're thinking. Not easy to notice for the untrained eye, unless you have the keen eyesight of an eagle. But otherwise, here's a little tip. Slide a €1 coin into the tire's middle groove with the face side towards you. If you see all the stars around the edge of the coin, then it's time for a new tire. It's the same as 1.6 millimeter of wear. This is the legal limit. In some countries, the legal wear limit for winter tires may differ, so a little advice. Don't forget to check. The clever tip. Remember to return your old tires to your garage for recycling.
Are there other situations where I need to change my tires?
Yes. If your tire has suffered significant damage, such as a large gash, or if it's abnormally worn in one place, or if it shows signs of wear, or if the tire does not comply with the manufacturer's recommendation, size, category, etc.
So, if I understand correctly, I have to remember that changing worn tires is vital for everyone's safety. If I place a €1 coin in the center groove and I see all the stars, it means it's time to change it. If the tire doesn't comply with the manufacturer's guidelines or is badly damaged, I must also change my tires as soon as possible. As general rule, I have to start looking at wear and tear around 20,000 kilometers.
That's it. We hope that everything is clear. But if you want more information on how to take care of your tires in all seasons, visit clever-tires.com or our social networks.
Don't forget to follow us. Have a good trip and see you soon!